No, make it hot for me. Drop that. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Shit, kick shit. Stop this. Yeah, yeah. With the shit. Hey, oh, oh.
Okay, class. Let's do some math. So please get out your math worksheets.
Excuse me, Mr. Dallas. Can I go to the bathroom, please?
Of course you may, Dark Cuddles. But I have a class to teach. So make sure you be back in 5 minutes or less.
Instead of going to the bathroom, I will replace the original school bell with the farting school bell. Ha 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 ha. It will be funny. But first, I must use my phone to hack the school bell. There. I hacked the bell and I replaced the original bell into the farting bell. Now to get back to class before I get caught.
Oh, that's the bell. That means it's time. Jesus Christ. That's weird. The bell rang and suddenly farted for lunchtime. How did that happen?
I don't know, Mr. Dallas, but it's strange.
Who could have done this? Wait a minute. I can see Dark Cuddles laughing. So that means Dark Cuddles hacked the bell and then replaced the original bell to the farting bell.
Oh really? Thanks for explaining everything, Stephanie. Dark Cuddles. Is this true of what you just did?
Yay. I might have.
Go to the principal's office now.
Dang, I really hate Dark Cuddles.
I know, right, Stephanie? He always caused too much trouble.
Dark Cuddles. I just got a footage of you hacking the bell and replacing it to a farting bell. That was not funny at all.
But Principal Eric, I'm so sorry.
No. Your sorry is not going to cut it for what you did. You're suspended for 2.5 weeks for this. Go home while I call your parents. And after that, I will call the electricity workers to replace the farting bell back to the original bell.
Dark Cuddles. We can't believe you hacked the bell and replaced the original bell to the farting bell. What you did was absolutely not funny at all.
But Cuddles, Giggles, and Toothy. I'm so.
Nope. Apology denied. You're grounded until the end of February.
Now go upstairs to the room of yours.